in Ghana, I need some masana.
Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is where Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. But before we start, if this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, the notification will so be notified when new video drops. Follow us on Facebook, TikTok, yeah, or So today I'm taking you to Makola Market, the biggest street market in Accra, Ghana, yeah, and it can be found in the city center. The market is very big to the extent that they sell, they manufacture, and they import everything from food, clothes, machines, etc. Jewelry made from locally handcrafted beads can be found in this market as well. Makola Market was constructed in Accra in 1924 and it has been the backbone of trade when it comes to Ghanaian life. The market was the main wholesale and retail marketplace in Accra some time ago and it's one of the national most important social and cultural institutions in Ghana. So let's take a walk to Makola Market. Hope you like these videos. Give us a thumbs up, follow me, yeah? It is what it is.
That's a nice.
Papa, how are you?
Internet. It's damn hot and we use some sobolo. Hey, sobolo, asana. Asana, yeah, so this is short one. Hot after in Ghana, I need some asana and it's cook. So, once the 50 pesos for one.
No, not for one.
For one?
The
for one?
Yeah. 3 cedi for the bottle.
I bought 3 cedis. Wow.
Come on. Hey, yeah, come on, swing it, yeah. Feel that groove now. Yeah.